Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see free video recording tool, and that one is one of the best platform I saw ever, because of if you are recording your screen, so you can put it your face also there. So which platform are providing this one? This platform name is Loom. So we will see detailed demonstration. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Simply open here Google and just put it here LOOM Loom. So look at this, first link are display here. I already put this link in same video description as well. So simply click here and show it, say it and send it. So using this platform you can record, you can share, or you can edit your entire video task. So how to do it? Let's simply get Loom for free. First of all, you need to sign up here. So we can sign up here simply using our email address. Sign up here, agree. For work, for education or personal uses, so I just simply use personal uses, continue. Traveling workspace, or you can say I type here Research Rocks, continue. Email address, so I just put it here, my email address 9@gmail.com. Send an invitation. You can download the extension also in your Google Chrome, or download this application also in your particular computer system. Otherwise try out recording directly. So we will download. First of all, we can see of the feature, such kind of recording is going on. So background is your work is going on and your screen is recorded here. So we will see detailed demonstration. The having issue against looking for Windows Chrome or Google Chrome extension. If you are not able to eligible on your Mac operating system, software is download here. I just simply click here and drag and drop here. Wait couple of seconds. The software is automatically display here, and look at this, Loom is come here. I just simply click open. Wait couple of seconds. Best way you can download this extension also in your Google Chrome, so no need to consume hard drive space. Sign in with my Gmail account. Yes, this is me. Open Loom. So now I will already inform you how to download and how to sign it. Next, you can read those information. Allow, okay, allow, okay. Next, open your system preferences and you can allow here properly. Next, open and continue. Yeah, again I open this one. Almost is done, and start recording. And now look at this here is my face. I can very easily record the screen, and this particular face camera is record of my MacBook. External mic or internal mic you can choose here, but currently I'm using external mic. And your video clarity, like you can set 4K also, but we can go here 720 pixel as a demo point of view. But commercially most of people go select here 1800 1080 pixel. We can go here 720. Start. Now my recording is start here. I can provide you demo using the Loom software. You can very easily convert your screen and share your audience using your Face ID, and that one is a really helpful and amazing software as a my point of view. If you are using this one, so you can very easily deliver your audience, and your audience also looking your face. So which types of conversation, which type of communication you are providing them, they are recognized and very easily happy, and subscribe your YouTube channel also. So if you really like this tips and tricks regarding this software, you can please subscribe my YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.